Hello everybody, how have you guys been doing, and welcome back to our channel How to Guide, where we post guide videos. And in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can change your body part colors on Roblox on mobile on iOS and Android. So basically it doesn't matter if you're in iOS or Android because the app version of Roblox for iOS and Android is same. So you just want to go to your Play Store or an App Store or download Roblox and open Roblox like this and log in into your account, and the interface is going to be same if you're using Apple or Android. Alright, it doesn't matter. But before moving forward in this video, if you guys are new to our channel How to Guide, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on. Let's move on. So the first step is, once you come over here, in order to change your body parts individual color, what you can do is, after opening Roblox, at the bottom of your screen in the middle there's going to be a circle displaying your profile picture, but mine's grayed out right now so it's not being shown, but in your case it should be shown, so click on it. So on my screen, as you guys can see, my character has like different colored arms over here. So how you guys can achieve it is watch the video until the end. Once you're over here, you want to go on the customize section, and on the customize section you can go on where it says character over here. You can go on character. Once you're in character, what you can do is go on body over here at the side. Once you click on body over here, it's going to show you like this in the beginning. Now over here you can change the entire body color. Now to change the individual part of the body, scroll at the bottom and there's going to be an advanced section. Click on advanced, and over here you can choose whichever parts color you want to change. If you want to change the entire, you want to be on all. If you want to change the individual part, let's say left leg, I can choose the color of my left leg. Let's say I can choose the color of my left arm over here like this, and for my right leg as well I can choose it, and for my head I'm going to choose this color just like this. After it's done, what I can do is click on the back button over here, and basically the color of my character has changed and its individual body part is different now. You can see the leg colors different because there's like the pants covering it, but if I was wearing short pants it would have shown it. Alright, but that's how you guys can change like body parts color on Roblox on your mobile, whether it's iOS or Android. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe, and bye bye.